Very good evening, sir. Very good evening. Welcome. Yeah, really, sir.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Yeah, really, sir. Too much happy, sir. Every person's eagerly waited. Yeah, because
Yes,
all
good evening,
persons
sir.
want to especially meet you and 100% because when you prepare, yeah,
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
and after that
Good
you
evening. Good evening.
interested. Really, all persons too much happy. Thank you.
Good evening,
Actually,
Celeste,
sir,
sir.
I am a good evening, all of you. Good evening.
Good
How are you,
evening,
all
sir.
of you? Good
We are
evening.
fantastic, sir.
Thank
What's
you.
about
Very
you?
well,
sir. We are fantastic, sir. What's about you?
Sorry, sir. I can't get
We are
you.
fantastic, sir. We are fantastic. What's about you?
Okay. I'm also so good, Vinod. Thank you very much to asking this. And
Me
Rabindra,
too.
sir, I'm really very eager and delighted to accept your invitation. Thank you very much. Give me this opportunity to meet all these good people. Thank you again. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Really,
so
yeah. Really, sir. Yeah, because here, sir, I would like mention only one thing, sir. Why mostly
mhm.
persons they want to ask some question because here all persons have a same thing. Okay, all persons want to learn English language. All persons want to improve our communication skills, and they also want to our like a means advanced level. So definitely, sir, all persons have the same thing, and sir, all persons they are practice very well here each every day. And after that, sir, means because sir, all
Yes,
persons
sir.
thing. So definitely some person also have a little bit doubt. Yeah, I'm means choose right way, whether I'm choose wrong way.
Yes, sir.
Means I get a little bit improvement day by day, whether I'm going same way. So this type means I think it's normal thing, and means doubt also normal. But initially time I think someone anybody they start some different work. Like English also I think when we talk about it our according Indian country, so definitely I think mostly Indian persons they take very me seriously, because in English is very tough. And when I started, so yeah, I'm going right way, whether I'm choose wrong pathway. So definitely all person have a same thing. Okay, this type doubt and 100%. Everybody, I think, yeah, Celeste are also here. So definitely, anybody have any type question. So please, you can ask 100%. I hope and I believe because Celeste sir have lots of experience in this way, and he's working also I think private sector, especially a banking sector. So definitely he has lots of experience about English language. And you have any other question also, so you can ask different type question also. Good. Dr. Vikas sir also here. Hello sir.
Yeah, Ravinder sir, good evening.
Very good evening, sir. Very good evening. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I am absolutely fine.
Thank you.
What
Thank
about
you.
you?
Thank you, Lord. So I know very well because nowadays you have a lots of work, and after that you also manage, especially our session. It's my pleasure. I think I know very well your means present. And second thing, sir, I know very well because when you come our session and 100% mostly some person here, some student also, some worker and some different type person, sir. But when you come class our session 100% mostly people they think about it. Yeah, I don't have a idea how to manage my professional life as well as my normal life, because all persons they want to improve, all persons they want to something in our life. But they mostly person don't have a idea how to manage, both are, because both are
Hello.
very important thing. So definitely, sir, really means when you come our session 100%, you give a very positive message, and after that, mostly persons means get very positive way. I think doctors are means they are managing all kind thinking 100%. So it's my responsibility. I am also managing. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, Dr. Vikas sir, and today I invited very
Yeah.
special sir, Salesh sir. Shailesh sir, I think, yeah, Shailesh sir, please, you don't mind, so please, you give me self introduction, and after that, means we will start our session. Yes, Shailesh sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, little bit my connection is very poor. That's why I'm out, and again I joined. Okay, sir. So first, I would like to thank you, sir, for their invitation to me in front of such a good audience like you and all these people, sir. Actually, I'm delighted to accept your invitation to address to this team. And I heard that you people are such a very hard workers and consistent with your diagram of destinies. Means you all people follow to Ravindra sir very well. You consistent with your habits. So, okay, guys, first I will introduce myself. My name is Shailesh Parmar. Currently, I am working in one construction company. I born and brought from very small town of Vadnagar. It's located to district of Mehsana, Gujarat, and which in native place is also native place of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. My father is a retired semi-government employee, and he is always there to me support. He is inspiration for me. My mother is a homemaker, and she is a leader of my family. Okay. Apart from these, my wife is a government teacher. She is always guide to me and support to me. I have one blessed good child who is studying in 7th standard. Okay, so let me tell about my academic part, sir. I have completed my BCom and MCom from North Gujarat University with distinction marks. Apart from these, I have completed my part-time one-year course postgraduate diploma in business management in Ahmedabad University. Okay, so this is all from my side about my short introduction. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, and I know very well. So definitely, sir, I'm very happy. And second thing, sir, if you want to say something about means this way, I think if you want to say something on your word, so please you can share with means us. After that, we will start a Q&A session like a doubt session. Okay, sir. It's your choice.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem. So first I will give some information, right, sir? Then every person I will request to all of you. Okay, sir, friends. So I am from also vernacular medium. From first to MCom, I did my all the academic part from Gujarati medium, and you know, people, English is a very necessary language nowadays. Nowadays, we know that liberalization, privatization, and globalization, because of that, this communication we have required in every corporate sector as well government sector, right? So here we all people, because why we are here, because we know that we have to conquer this language anyhow. So if you completed your study in your local language or Hindi language, whatever, up to 12, it is okay. But after your 12th examination, if you want to grow and if you want to go any higher study or any higher job, you have to conquer this language. This is my first advice to all of you. Because there are many importance of the language, like this language means business language, whatever you say, what is that? English opens new career opportunities, right? Which type of I will ask to all audience, which type opportunities here due to English? Anyone say why English is necessary? Which type opportunity we will get because of this English language?
Yeah, Neetu ma'am, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Firstly, good evening, sir.
Thank you. Good
Sally, sir.
evening.
And I am very happy to meet you. And sir, English is the international language. It is not a native language. It is a
Hmm.
stranger language for us. And this time it is
Right.
very important in all field, especially for student who want to achieve anything, any sector. So English is very important because this is a global language. Everyone want to speak English. Who doesn't want to speak English? They don't get good job. And definitely
Yes.
he never get good job, and he never get success also without English, sir.
Hmm. English, right? Exactly. You got your perfect point, Ritu ma'am. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so English open new careers. English test can get you into the school, college, any abroad exam. English is the top language of the internet also. If you want to find something new information from the internet, first you have to learn this language, right? So English makes your life more entertaining. Learning English can make you smarter. Okay. So in the summarize, I will say English is a very crucial part of your life. Don't leave this platform. I will guarantee you, all of you will learn very fast this language because of this platform, this Ravindra Sir class platform. If you consistent with this platform, definitely you will get your fluency in very fast. And one more thing, don't think that you will learn fast to speak English within some short period. No, it's not possible. As per the global survey, one survey is there. If you want to learn any language, not only English, if you want to any language, new language, you should require 3,000 hours practice. How much? 3,000 hours practice for a learner in a 3 years, not a 4 years, not a 5 years. In 3 years, you have to give your 3,000 hours for this language. It means what? It means every day, anyhow, or average, every day you have to give a 2.5 hours in the day, right? So after, if you give 2.5 hours in a day, after 3 years, you will get your fluency. Otherwise, it's not possible. Those people who are coming from English medium background, might be they will reduce that this period from 3 years to 2 years. But if you are beginner, if you are coming for vernacular medium, you have to give your 2.5 hours every day. This is the average for a day. Okay. So today our motto and some information about, I will give about only this English speaking, because I read one book from booklet. Have anybody heard about the booklet guy? The
Yeah,
His name
I
is
know, sir.
yeah,
Amrut Deshmukh.
what's his name? Amrut Deshmukh. Okay, so
7
he
Habits of
told
Highly
that,
Effective Leaders.
yes, 7 habits. Okay, so you know about him. Okay, so he wrote in his book 7 habits of highly effective leaders. The work of the victim is to recite problems. This is the one good line which touched to my heart, and because of that, I every day consistent with this habit. The line is that the work of the victim is to recite problems, and the work of the leaders is to take solution of their problem. So you have to decide that you recite your problem or you want to become leader and find the solution. So if you want to separate yourself from the crowd, okay, you will do some difficult activities. Anybody heard about the one law of 80-20?
Yeah,
This is
you know, sir.
one book from,
80%
yes,
productivity can be done by the 20% work.
yes, exactly. So let me give you some example about it. Okay, and then I will finish. I will give to all people call, and if someone have any question, I will try to answer it. Okay, so let me give this some example about the 80-20. 80% of your customer, for example, you are working in some company or any sector. So 80% of your customer account for a 20% of sales, and 20% of your customer account for a 80% of sale. So here 20% of customers, we do their 20% of work, beside 20% of employees doing their 80% of work. Okay, so the same thing we apply for the salary also. In any company, 80% of employees take only 20% of salary, and 80% and 20% of employee take his 80% of salary. But very important is that 80% of your daily activities, I will apply this same rule in our activities also. Add 20% of value in you, and 20% your daily activities add 80% of value of you. So you have to decide which type activity every day you embrace. Okay, so I will say this type of activities, those who are include in 80%, it is a very trivial activities, and those activities we can add in 20%, they are a very vital few activities. Okay, so what I mean, like what it means, say I will explain you. Friends, 80% of activities and are add 20% of value in your daily values. It means which is these activities, you know, means, for example, you are gossiping in water cooler in your company. Okay, you are working somewhere and you are gossiping every day. You are maximum use your maximum time in the lunch, dinner time, lunch time. Okay, every weekend you go trip, going to theater, watching TV. They're all activities are the trivial activities. They only add value in your life only 20%. Okay, for example, you watching a web series, Netflix, Prime Video, then WhatsApp gossip, Facebook, Insta, all these activities I will add in this trivial activity, and it's all included in 80%. Okay, beside many activities called as very vital few, means which all these activity are we can include in 20% activities, but they all give you 80% of value in life. I mean, if you focus on 20% of these activities, you will get 80%. Which is this activity? And even say, for example, going to gym, okay, or going to morning walking, exercise, and reading some books. These all activities are very boring activities. You speaking to someone, your friends in English language, okay, for 45 minutes, 1 hour, okay, complete habit like a reading. Then you going to stage on the and talking something in public, okay, you every day consistent with Rabindra sir class, okay. So these all activities are a very boring activities, but you know, these all activities add you 80% value in your life. So friends, if you think carefully, we do not focus on 20%, but we maximum focus on the 80%, which does not add any value in our life. Add this is the big problem. Please add these all activities in your life. Focus consistent with this all 20% activities, so that you can get maximum value in your life. So this is my today's message to all of you. Please consistent with your habits, reading, writing, listening, and talking to friends, gathering some information. Okay, this will, after 3 years, you will find a separate from crowd. You can see many people in the world, those who are separate, we can directly call them their names. Okay, why? Because they separate themselves for this type of activities. So this is today's my message to all of you friends. Thank you very much to listen me. If you have any question or if you want to something other information, please ask me. Thank you, Ravindra sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, I have a question. May I ask you, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Sir, how can we think positive according to our situation? Because if I talk about the day, means in day we have faces many kinds of issue, like in our coaching, in our home. So how can we think positive always
Okay. So
according to situation?
okay. Your name is Vinod, right? So Vinod,
Yes, sir,
see,
right, sir.
every person has a 24 hours, right? Anil Ambani has, Mukesh Ambani has also 24 hours. We all people
Yes, sir.
have also 24 hours, okay? But those people who are success, why they
Yeah.
are success? Because they know how to use the maximum time for these good activities. They can stolen this type of hours from this all Delhi's activities. Means you Delhi talking with your family, it is okay. You Delhi talking with your friend, it is okay. But this all type of the hours is only trivial hours. Okay, so you think you learn about the how I will get my 4 hours or 6 hours in this daily activities, and I will give this 3 or 4 hours to this type of vital activities. Okay, so once you try every day, you give your this type of hours in the reading, writing, listening, and talking to someone. Automatically, after 1 year, it will become your habits, and every day you are brushing, every day you are bathing, same every day you will give this type of activities in your like a habits. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
do like that and think like
Okay,
that.
sir.
Yeah. Yes sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, Leela sir, unmute yourself. Leela sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Ravindra sir. I am hearing you.
And Leela sir, I know very well. Salesh sir, he is working in Dubai, and I am very appreciated. He also want to improve our English communication. So definitely, means he also come in our class. Okay, Neela sir. So you
Okay.
have any question? You have any doubt? So please you can ask Mr. Salesh sir. Hello.
Okay. My main question is we are not native speaker, so whenever we talk with native speaker, definitely we are not talking similar to them. But my main question is like to improve English. There are so many factors, like we are watching YouTube on English content, YouTube, writing, reading, communicating. What do you think? Which part is most important to improve our English in this regard?
Okay. Okay. See, what's your name, sir?
Leela Kumar, sir.
Leela Kumar. Okay. So see, sir, me and Ravindra sir, we both are joined English speaking class in July. I think July 20, sir, right?
August.
August. Okay. So when I entered a English speaking class, because my English is very poor. You can say it is a minus, because I cannot able to introduce myself in front of 2 or 3 people also. Okay. Your question is related to native speaker. First, we should try to grab this language and try to explain all this take in front of those people who are Indian people, because maximum we try to information, getting some information from India also, right? Our nation, our citizenship. So first, we try to listen accent of the Indian people. Okay. Once we grab this language from Indian, automatically we motivate for the native speaker. If you listen every day in YouTube, you know one application. If you don't know, please note this application name. This is a very crucial application for all of you. This application is a Clubhouse. Please note this application. This application is running a 24 hours. Ravindra sir, 24 hours this application running, and in this application every day there is a one platform where people are discussing with one issue. Many club is there. If you interested for learning some English, that club, English learning club are there. Okay. And many native speaker also available in this club. You can directly ask them question. You can get information from a native speaker. Okay. So in this way, you can change your accent. So many applications you can find from the internet. Automatically you will grab this language, as well you will enhance English language also. Okay. So
Thank you, sir.
Sir Lira sir, please try to speak with native speaker, and don't expense much more for that. Cambly, like many paid application is there, but don't use it, because they get a lot of money, but because of our hectic schedule, we cannot give lot of time for that. So we have a lot of any other free application which can help to us for enhancing our English in native as well Indian language. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Sir,
Okay, Jaspal, you can ask. Jaspal.
okay. Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening.